Uy, another star player from Team Masagana. Manu, best actor, best player. Okay. Alright, again, your host, Kuya Jerwin and Kuya Paulo, aka Papa Bear.
Thank you nga pala kay Pepoy. Puta si Tatang. Ano yun? Okay, yan na. 5 na sila.
Okay. May pang-5 player, kagigising lang.
Okay, Jumbo. Okay, Jumbo between Jubeto and number 15. Talili. Oh, ako ni Manu ay na si Kuya Noy.
First 2 points of the ball game. Kuya Noy. Number 11, Kuya Noy, 2 points.
Ay na si Toto.
Toto.
Yan sa kay Tatang. Tatang kay Toto. Biyalik. Talili. Wala.
Ito na si Kuya Noy. Looking to set the play. Outlet. Number 17 for 3. Kumalog. Rebound by number 15. Number 18. Stolen by Kuya Noy. Caballo, 27 is good. Number 27, Caballo.
Walang harang doon siguro.
2 points.
Walang harang doon.
Ilista mo na, double dozer.
Ayun na po
Caballo.
si Tatang. Ayun na si Tatang.
Emil,
Tatang.
scoop play.
Wala.
Napakagandang layup, batang-bata.
Kaya nga. Ayun na si Kuya Noy. Baba ng bola.
Kuya Noy, sabi ko na pasa sa loob yun.
Ayun na si
Number
Talili.
15.
Pinasa kay Tatang. Tatang. Wala. Talili. Ayun na si Rod. Ano ba? 7 ba yun? Si Rod yun, di ba? Number 18. Oh, foul tayo si may foul? Number 7.
First free choice, no good. First personal foul, Ben Flores. Pinablotter na ni Ben Flores yun. Second free choice, no good. Rebound by Flores. Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy, may tangan ng bola. Sujan, spot up. Peke, kick out. Kuya Noy, kick out ulit. Manu, number 17, pull up 2. Malakas.
Orange ball.
Mukhang naparami ng pansit. Si Manu.
Ay si Toto.
Toto, sariwa, galing pa ng camping. Number 19. Oy! Yung pansit,
Miscommunication.
dahan-dahan lang sa pansit.
Miscommunication si Toto at si Tatang.
Ben, Kuya Noy, balik kay Ben Flores. Sariwa, bagong gupit pa. Triple drive, no good. And there's a foul.
Sino foul? Rep. Number 18. First personal foul. 2 shot. Wala.
Sablay ang free throw ni Ben Flores. Bihira yun Nakarami ng puto. Uy!
Ako pa rin ni Ben Flores. Babawi yan. Wala pa rin. Ako ni Jubeto. Jubeto. Walang harang doon. Ay na po si Tatang. Pinasa kay Toto. Toto for 2. Wala pa rin. 6-0 pa rin ang score.
Eto na, Kuya Noy. Namamadali. Balik kay Manu. May screen. Pull up 2.
Wala.
No good rebound ni Ben. Ben, put back 2 is good. Ben Flores. Number 15. 2 points. Iba talaga pag bagong gupit. Toto. Kontra Emanu. Number 15. Zigzag move, scoop layup, no good. Rebound is Sujan. Sujan, naghanap ng papasaan. Ben Flores, ito na, namamadali. Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy looking to set the play. Sa labas. M, number 17. Thought about it. Kuya Noy for 3. Walakas.
Nagpapainit pa.
Pinagpapractice ang pa ni Kuya Noy.
Nagpapainit pa si Kuya Noy. Nagpapainit pa. I-score natin 8-0 in favor of Arnel and Grace.
Ito na, ace player ng Pinoy Grill and Chill, si Kuya Emil. Emil. What a pass! Stolen nga lang. Out of bounds. Brown ball. Rebound, number 7. Kailangan ng opensa ng Pinoy Grill and Chill. Ano kayang gagawin? Ni ace player, Emil. Emil. Looking to set the play. Drip. Oh, scoop play!
Nami si Tatang. Sayang Tatang.
Sujan to Ben Flores. Ben, dire-diretso, zigzag move is no good.
Nice.
Emil with the
Power
rebound.
rebound by Tatang.
Number 18.
Bro, pasok ka na. Pasok ka na opensa. Malalamsak kayo yan.
Emmanuel, left
Tama.
layup is good. Uy.
Timeout na kayo. Timeout na kayo? Next ball game. Next possession.
Medyo dikit
10-0
ang
po,
laban natin.
10-0.
Toto. Number 19. Scoop layup, wala. Ben Flores, inagawan ng Candy. Number 15, wala pa rin. Toto, binigyan ni Ben Flores. Number 15, Pumeke, it's good, yes!
Finally, after 6 minutes. It's Kuya Noy.
Butata ni number 15.
Ayun na po si Tatang.
Emil, ito na, one-on-one versus Pinoy.
Ayun na si Tatang. Ayun na si Tatang.
Crossover.
Nice, what a pass! What a pass by Tatang.
What a pass!
What a pass by Tatang.
Nakita mo yun?
Kita mo yun? You can see me, now you don't.
Yan ang pasa.
Yan ang pasa.
Sabi ni Emil, oh.
Now you see me, now you don't. Yun.
Caballo. Ben is
Time out,
good.
rep, time out.
Basket count.
Time out, Red, time out. Alright, ano masabi mo, partner?
It's a high-scoring ball game, Kuya Jerwin.
Malupit yung pasa talaga eh.
Yes.
Doon ako din makaget over sa pasa eh.
Eagle Eye
Napakalupit,
Emil.
Tatang, napakalupit.
With the...
Sa pasa na yun.
Yeah.
Pan top 10 plays of the week yun.
Yes, bullet pass.
No, pass.
Best pass of the year.
Kaka-confuse. Alright. Back to the game, guys.
Emil. Bonus free choice, no good. Unable to secure the rebound. Oy, out of bounds. Red ball.
No. Orange ball.
Oy. Rebound ni Toto. Ito na naman madali.
What a spin!
What a spin! Nahilo yung anak ko.
Nice lang.
Up, Sujan. Outlet pass.
Ay na po.
Pinoy. Ito na.
1-on-1. May Tatang.
Pull up three.
Wala.
Malakas. Hindi nanalo ng rebound si Emil. Kinabayo ni Caballo. Number 27, 2 points.
Ayun na si Tatang. Binangga si Suja. Whoa, nice 2 points.
What a shot. Number 18. Bartolato, 2 points. Ito na. Ace player, Kuya Noy, barking orders. Balik kay Kuya Noy. Stewart for 3. For 2. Suja with a putback.
Wow. Nilagay lang ang bola sa ring.
Number 7, Suja. 2
Isinubo
points.
lang. Ngayon na po si Tatang. What the?
Whoa! Shot!
Oh!
By
Too
Emil!
small! Wow!
So small!
Woo!
What a shot! Easily the play of the game.
Too small!
Emil. Stewart, pull up 2. Binawi. Binawi ni Stewart. Number 33, Stewart. 2 points.
On fire na si Tatang. Nanlilisik ang mata. Nanlilisik ang mata ni Tatang. Go! 3 points!
Flores. Stewart. Oh, what a pass, Sujan. Short. Caballo. Binomba. Botata.
Foul.
There's a foul.
Sumabit. Sumabit kay Mr. Gubeto. First free throw missed by Mr. Gubeto. Second free throw. Good.
Second free throw is good.
Ayun na si Tatang.
What a pass, Emil.
Uy!
Off the foot. Red ball.
First quarter is in.
Okay mga kabibas, that's the end. Okay mga kabibas, that's the end of the first quarter. 19-11 in favor
Napakalupit na laban na to, partner.
of Team Arnel and Grace. Yes.
On fire na si Tatang eh. Nanlilisik ang mata.
Nakita mo ba yung super layup ni
Too small pa eh.
Tito Emil?
Buta player pa, coach pa.
Oo. Tito Emil Gaming.
On fire.
Swear to God.
Okay, back to the game guys. Start of second quarter. Orange ball.
Uy. Arnel and Grace may second five.
Magandang matchup to. Arnel De Luna versus Tatang.
Inbound play. Oh, stolen!
Montik na.
Unang possession pa lang.
Kala ko makaka-steal na si Ganoy.
Toto. Corner. 48. Number 15. Pini hit.
Oh,
There's a foul.
sumabit si Arnel.
Personal foul. 1-8. De Luna. First personal foul. 2 shots.
First team foul.
First free throw is good by number 15. Second free throw is good.
Score natin 19-13 in favor of Arnel and Grace.
Ganoy.
Nako, huwag niyo papawalan si Ganoy.
Stewart. Spot up 2. No good.
Yun!
Rebound ni Toto.
Toto.
Number 19 Toto. Kontra Emanu.
Toto. Uy! Sumabit.
Sumabit sa muscle ni Emanu. Personal foul number 17. First personal foul. 2 shots.
Okay, no free throw.
Correction. Side ball.
Sideline. Si Tatang.
Emil.
Ayun na si Tatang. Yun, gandang pasa ulit.
Uy,
Sayang.
number 17, Manu. Sumesenyas ng play. Corner. Stewart, pull up to Malakas. Toto, eto na. Number 19, Reres back.
Tama din si Toto. Yun lang. Nako ni...
Pasa pala to number 15. Unlucky.
Nako po.
Digoy. Oy,
Oy, foul.
there's a foul.
Sumabit si Emil.
Number 0. Personal foul, number 0. 2 shots. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. First free throw is good. Second free throw is no good. De Luna! Oy! Rebound ni De Luna. Ganoy. Wala pa rin. Toto. Emil, eto na, 1-on-1.
Ay, nasa
Emil
tata.
versus Manu.
Uy.
Stolen by Manu. Ito na, number 17. Nagmamadali, dire-diretso. What a pass. Hindi na nasa low, number 88. Digoy is good. Number 88, Digoy. 2 points. 22-13 tayo mga kabibas in favor of Team Arnel and Grace. Emil, bounce pass. Number 15, Pumeke. Pinasa. Kontra Anel De Luna. Is no good. Stewart with the rebound. Stewart yung mamadali. Mukhang may lakad sila ng misis niya. Manu. Digoy. Corner. Gante. Stewart, what a pass! Championship pass. Gante to Stewart. Emil. Ano kayang gagawin ni ace player, Emil? Mukhang re-rest back. Emil. Bounce pass. Kick out. Number 15. Step in. No good. Line ball. Red ball. Number 17, Stewart. Change pace. May pinasabit si Stewart. Number 19, personal foul. Number 19, 2 shots. Fourth-team foul. Parang patay yung banda. Second free throw is good. Balik sa 12 kalamangan ng Team Arnel and Grace. Number 48, naghanap ng papasahan. Stolen by Gante. Slow break. Uy! Rebound ni number 48. Eto na, 3-on-2. Scoop layup, wala ang power rebound ni Ardel De Luna. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 15, wala pa din. Number 15, 2 points. Out of bounds. Brown ball, substitution rep. Ace player Emil out, number 18. Bartolato in. Number 18, pull up 3, Malakas. Stewart with the rebound ng mamadali. Stewart, 1-on-3. Kick out. Ganoy for 3. Uy!
What a pass! Yan ang pass, ha? Ganoy to Stewart connection.
Number 40. Contra Emanu. Haras by Emanu. Bartolato, number 18. Corner. Toto. For 3. Malakas. Rebound Gante. Stolen. Number 15.
Easy 2 points.
Emanu. Balik kay Emanu, number 17, left in layup is good. Number 17, Emanu. 2 points. Toto. Gumamit ng screen. Uy! Kick out. Number 48 for 3. Patay ang butike. De Luna. Manu. Gante. Spot up 2 is no good. Bartolato, number 15. 3 on 2 yan. Number 10 is good. Number 10, Bartolato, 2 points. Napakahusay.
Thank you.
M, pull up 2. Daya naman na ito na M eh. Balik sa 12, Kalamangan, 31-19. Left layup, follow up is no good. Number 15.
Pineke kontra De Luna.
Toto, number 19. Spot up 2, wala pa din. Tapikan. Number 18, Bartolato is good.
Number 18, Bartolato. 2 points. Back to back.
By number 18.
Number 10 lang.
Number 10, correction, number 10. Ganoy for 3.
Malakas.
Nailang. Si Toto may chiclet daw yung bola. Number 19 to number 40. Number 40 behind the back to number 15. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds on the shot clock. For 3. Oh, malakas. Line ball, red ball. Parang kailangan na si Emil. Manu Sinayawan. Ganoy. Nakatulog. Stewart.
What a shot by Stewart.
Number 33, Stewart, 2 points. Number 7, Malakas. De Luna, spot up 2 is good. Number 128, De Luna. Timeout, Brown team. All right, mga kabibas, 34-21 in favor of Team Arnel and Grace. 13-point lead with 1 minute and 35 seconds to go in the ball game. Okay, mga kabibas, back to the ball game. Okay, brown ball. Eto na pagbabalik ni ace player Emil. Emil, kontra Kuya Noy. Napakagandang matchup. Number 40, put up 3, malakas. Caballo, kick out. Gante, Digoy, Humorma. Sujan, stolen by number 15. Stolen by Gante. Stolen by number 19. Inabangan ni Kuya Noy. Line ball, red ball. Napakagulang. Sujan, bullet pass. What a pass!
Yan ang pasahanay sa championship team. That's the end of the first half, mga kabibas. 36-21 in favor of Team Arnel and Grace. What a game so far, mga kabibas. Makapagulaman muna.
The ball game. Back to the ball game.
All right, inbound play, Red Bull. Sujan. To Flores. Cuyanoy. Corner. Ganoy for three.
Inipit ang singit ng ring.
Good job, Sujan. Kala ko tatalon ni Kuya M. Number 40. Intercepted by Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy na mamadali. Siya to 40. Kontra Emil. Kuya Noy, zigzag mo. Tirahan. No good. Babawi, naghanap na papasahan. Emil. Ace player, Emil. Emil. Bumangga. Bartolato. 19. Toto pumiki. Toto, scoop shot. No good. Rebound is Gante. Ito na, namamadali. Number 88, Gante. Soy. Pinasa sa basot. Emil, drop pass, number 19, Toto. Unable to convert, Sujan. Outlet pass, Ganoy. Ganoy. Vert. Nagdalawang isip. Ganoy, number 16, lefty layup. Good. Rebound number 18, Bartolato to number 19. 19, kontra Cuyanoy. Toto. Step in, layup, no good. Flores with the rebound. Balik kay Cuyanoy. Cuyanoy. Gante. There's a foul. Number 40. Personal foul, number 40. 2 shots. Mukhang pagod mag-alaga ng bata. Si Gante. Short rebound by Emil. And number 15. Toto. Out of bounds. Oh. Flores. Drop pass, Flores. Number 15, Flores. 2 points. Tabingi. Out of bounds. Red. Start. Outlet pass. Emil malakas. Quinor for three. Bang! Number 11, 3 points. Babawi ni Kuya Emil. Traveling. Kuya Noy. Sumesenyas ng play. Corner. Stolen by number 18. By number 10. Number 40. Zigzag move. Number 40, 2 points. Out of bounds. Bartolato for 3, malakas. Flores with the rebound, namamadali. Kontra Emil, Flores sinakasahan. Number 40, personal foul, number 40. First free throw is good. Second free throw is no good. Toto left layup, no good. Flores. Flores. Gante. Hoy! Binalipag sa paa ni Flores. Emil. Number 40, 2 points. Yan ang pasa ni Kuya Emil.
Hindi, dapat sumenis tayo ng ganun.
Kuya Noy. Sandali lang daw. Outlet pass to Sujan sa ilalim. Sujan, dinukot sa ilalim. Number 7, Sujan. 2 points. Kuya Noy kontra Emil. Kuya Noy. Drop pass. 3 seconds! Natakot kay Emil. Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Oh, naka-flex, oh. Natakot kay Boss Emil. Too small. Number 40, Emil. To number 19, Toto.
Bakit?
Okay, animal players. Technical foul. Team Arnel and Grace. Excessive players in the court. Bonus shot. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 40, Pumeke. Toto, spot up 2, kaboom. Number 19, Toto, 2 points. Malapit na. 43-27. 3 minutes to go in the ball game. Kuya Noy, Gante. Flores, pinasa sa commentator. Stolen by Kuya Noy. Sujan. Flores, ni-reverse pa, patented move ni Ben Flores. Number 15, 2 points. Rebound by Flores. Ito na, Flores kontra Emil. Kuya Noy. Corner 3. Short. Rebound ni Emil. Number 15 is good. Number 15, 2 points. So we got some drinks. Mic check, mic check. It's Gante. Gante is good. Dinaan sa lapat ni Gante. Number 10, outlet pass. 19, Toto for 2. Unable to convert. Number 10 to number 15. 15, bumangga sa pader. Scoop shot is good by number 15. 47-31 in favor of Arnel and Grace. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go in the ball game. Out of bounds, Red Bull. Kuya Noy for 3. Malakas. Caballo, triple position. What a move! Ang ganda sana eh. 40, oh! Unable to convert. Emil would put back 2. Emil again, let's go! Too small. Suja for 3. Unable to convert. Toto, number 90, ito na, Emil. Nagbabalik. Ace player, Emil. Dire-diretso, scoop layup. Unable to convert. Stolen by Toto, number 19. 10 seconds to go in the ball game. What a pass! What a shot by number 10. Bartol points. All right, that's the end of the third quarter, mga kapibas. All right, back to the ball game, mga kapibas. Manu, drop pass. Oy! Number 40, Toto. Pumeke, spin move. Manu with the rebound. Stolen by number 10. Number 7. To number 10, number 10. There's a foul. Number 27. Personal foul, number 27. Side ball. Chosa in the house, mga kabibas. The Man Mountain.
And Nardo in the house. Junior Nardo.
Number 10, Bartolato. 2 points. Napakagaling.
Yan po, si Manu.
Inspired na inspired.
Pinasa kay Stewart. Stewart the Mouse. Binigay kay Panoy. Look.
Uy!
Uy, dito to, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay
Outlet pass, number 7.
kay Tito. Tito. Ipinasa kay Kuya.
Number 40.
Kuya for 2.
Spot up 2, no good.
Ayan na po si Manu. Manu. O, yun lang. Ay, si Toto. Triple-double na si Toto.
Mga kabibas, 10 points na ang kalamangan, ha? 47-37, 1 on 3 yan.
Yeah.
Number 7, spot up to... Wala. Toto? Wala pa rin.
Galing mo, pasa mo.
Number 15.
2 points. 8-point lead.
Single digit na lang ang kalamangan ng Arnel and Grace. Stewart. Out of bounds. Brown ball.
Orange ball.
8 na lang ang kalamangan ng Arnel and Grace. Baka naman, Tito Emil. Time to shine.
We want Emil. We want Emil.
Number 19 to number 40. Number 7.
You know.
Skyhook is no good. Karambola tayo mga
Sumabit.
kabibas.
Sumabit.
Number 27. Personal foul number 27.
Jobeto.
Kinalawit daw sa ere. Parang sabong.
Milipad eh. Pasa mo. 5 seconds.
Number 15. Number 10 is
6 point
goal!
lead. Come on, why? 6 points.
Bartolato, 2 points. 6 na lang kalamangan. Nasa kaya yung ace player ng red team, si Kuya Noy.
Nice take pa ni Toto.
Stewart, eto na. Ganoy, shoot.
Short.
Number 40, eto na.
Ito na, rest back. Tumatakbo na ang orange team.
Neres back na. Number 15, number 7 sa ilalim.
Yun lang, naipit.
Scoop shot, no good. Rebound number 16, ahead to Caballo. Caballo is good. Number 27, Caballo, 2 points.
Sayang ang pagkakataon.
Balik sa 8 kalamangan. Bartolato pull up to no good. Agawin niya magkakampi. Manu. Number 17. Ayun na naman.
Yun lang. Ano yun? Anong tawag, rep?
Ano yan? What's the call, ref?
Sub, rep, sub.
Substitution.
We want Emil. We want Emil.
(49-41) in favor of Arnel and Grace with 8 minutes to go in the ball game.
We want Emil. Toto.
Toto kontra Manu, number 15. Sa gitna,
Oh,
number
nice
10. Uy, sayang naman yun.
May rebound. Oy! Teka. May tawag si rep. Technical foul. Arnel.
Technical foul,
Arnel,
Team Arnel and Grace. Technical foul. Player number 128, the Luna.
Chill lang, chill. Guys, chill lang tayo, chill.
Force stepping in the court. Technical free throw.
Chill lang. Saan yung court?
Munti ka na.
Madilim yata yung ring. Ay, yung court natin. Guys, pakibuksan niyo ilaw.
Number 17, marking orders. Manu, corner, Stewart, Ben, pull up to patented move.
We want Emil.
Number 40, pull up three, no good, rebound is Stewart. Stolen by number 15, scoop shot, is cool.
Time out! Arnel and Grace.
All right, mga kabibas. 6 minutes and 24 seconds to go in the ball game. 51-43
Favor of
in favor
Arnel
of
and
Team
Grace.
Arnel and Grace.
Ah,
We want
Emil. We want Emil. Okay, back to the game, guys. Back to the game.
Leading scorer natin, si Ben Flores, mga kabibas. Wala pa nakakaaway. Manu, Stewart, pull up to Kaboy.
Pamatay sunog by Stewart the Mouse.
Balik sa 10 kalamangan. Toto, for 3. Bang! Number 19, Toto. 3 points.
Toto for 3.
Ito na lang yan.
Yun, babawi si Manu. Babawi yan.
Manu,
Babawi yan. Pinasag gan.
what a pass! Sujan.
Foul. No basket, Kep. Foul na. Bababa
No
na.
basket.
Nakita mo ba yung pasa ni Manu na yun? Parang may mata sa
Oh,
likod.
yan ang nangyari sa kabila. May bromance. Sabi ko na, si Bills na naman yun eh.
Oo nga, nanggugulo
Basta
na naman si
bromance. Caballo, drop pass, Flores. There's a foul.
Sumabit si Rod.
Number 10, Bartolato. Personal foul. 2 shots. First free throw is no good. Abraham and Trampas in the house, mga kabibas of Team Orbits.
Ayan na po, si Abraham.
Abraham,
Ang kinatatakutan ng mga players.
40 points per game. Toto. Number 15. Pomorma. Sa labas. 40. For 3. Malakas. Rebound ni Flores. Ito na. Flores. Stewart. Right layup. No good. And there's a foul. Number 19. Personal foul. Number 19. 2 shots. First free throw is good. Both teams, third team foul na tayo, both teams. Second free throw is no good.
Toto, ayun na po si Toto. Nagmamadali si Toto. Titira ng 3 shot.
Toto, Sumenya, sandali lang daw.
Ay puta, gandang pa.
Gandang pasa. Number 40, spot up to convert mo yan. Malakas.
Up!
9-point lead lang yan, mga kapibas. With 2 minutes and 28 seconds to go in the ball game. Brando sa lalima, mga kapibas.
Yun na po si Brando. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko. Ito na.
Another Mr. Okray. Manu. Sujan. Flores. Step in. Pull up to Kaboom.
Points bad! Norris.
Number 15, Flores. 2 points. May kasama pang police platter. Si Freeman. Ito lang yan. 7, sinalubong. 15, no good. Flores, outlet pass. Stewart. Caballo, bumaga!
Oh, may tawag si Rep. Charging.
Offensive foul. Caballo.
Kabalo. Ilan na foul? Galing mo, too short eh.
Yung energy mo, ang tulin mo. Sino ba naglalaro sa shot clock natin? Ay, si Beboy Lionheart
Eh,
pala
boy pala
yun.
nasa shot clock eh.
Number 40. 11-point lead lang yan. Number 7. Malaki sa ilalim.
Kailig si...
Pinasa sa anak ni Bartolato. Manu. Contra number 40. Stewart. Open three. Bang!
Stewart the Mouse for 3.
Number 15, ito re-rest back naman. Oh, stolen!
Puta,
By
player of the
Stewart.
game si Stewart. Yung gandang paso.
Manu right to layout. No good, Flores. It's good!
May kasama pang foul. May kasama pang sapok.
Bonus shot. Bonus free throw is good. Napakagaling ni Flores. Toto, number 40. 15 to number 7. Number 7, chop pass. Number 10, spot up 2 is good.
Ang kalaban nila sa laro. Tingnan natin, maganda na pen.
Manu, napakagaling talaga.
May bilis din yun. Tapos yun yun. Hindi pa nila kontrolado yan. Yun ang team nila Bergen to, nalilit nila. Ano yun? Big one. Talaga? Oo, to. Kapag sumali sila ng Pilipino, hindi nga sila pwede sa dito. Sabihin na. Hindi kayo pupunti na. Hindi kayo pupunti na sa sabi. Kasi ganun mo. Kasi pa. Yung better ko, sumali mo lang sa iba.
Sujan. Pinaglaruan yung mga rebounder. Manu. Umere. Kabalo. Kinaldag. Masahe move.
Sumabit si Toto. Toto, kita ka namin dito, Toto.
May talpakan.
Kita kita Toto, ah. Toto to, ah.
May tari. Aba, next game natin, Division 1. Omega Tax. Ben Flores. Walang sakitan, Ben Flores. Number 40. Number 10, Bartolato. Toto. For 3. Kapos. Mahina.
Lima lang sila. Oo, lima lang.
Kabalo. Kabalo, siniko yung ere. Kabalo, 2 points. Talaga naman si Ben Flores tumira pa. That's the end of the game, mga kabiba. 67-48. Arnel and Grace. Player of the game natin, Ben Flores. 40 points. 20 rebounds. Hindi maglilinis ng bahay bukas yan.